Hey y'all, it's Shea and we are back with another pour. So we have a charcuterie board today and it is about 3 feet tall, so it is definitely a pretty good size. The only goal for this one was to make sure that there was enough wood space for it to be usable in regards to just the wood portion. So yes, technically for the resin that I use, it is food safe, so food can go on it, but just wanted to make sure there was space just for the wood section also. So with that, I'll let you keep watching. Hey y'all, so we're taking a pause so I can show you what I have going on with all of my eye candy pigment. I know you have heard me talk about it in my videos, and eye candy is pretty much my go-to pigment for all of my pours, and I'm gonna need y'all to get going to go over there. So as you see, I have the blues and the ultra flakes and the gold set and the ghost set and the glow set and everything going on over here, and it's a little mini store and y'all need to get on it with me. So head on over there. If you use the code LACEPOINT, then you will get 10% off. I will leave a link and the code to the description box below, so make sure y'all check it out. All right, back to the video. This section is just the top coat pour, so nothing special is happening right here. So while that's going on, I'm going to let y'all know what colors I actually used. This is the image of all of the colors. All of them are eye candy pigment, minus the copper gold leaf. But the colors I'm using are Ukon Brown, Shinai Brown, Pagoda Temple, and Daigi. And here's the final piece. Although I didn't do a full pour on the board, I still had a lot of fun working on the sections of it, especially with the heat gun, because I got to push and pull everything. And I really like how the heat gun does the effects. So I think this piece can be displayed as a wall decor or just another one of those floor decors in your home, but it definitely works well as a regular cheese board, a regular usable cheese board. So please like, share, subscribe, do all the things, and I will see you back in the next video. Bye. I would love for y'all to come visit me at lacepointresin.com. You will be able to contact me for commissions as well as find all of the artwork that's available for purchase. That includes gallery art, table and kitchen decor, the latest of my NFL series, crystals, and where I get my pigments. Or if you just want to get to know me, that's there too. You can also add your email to the Lace Point Collectors Club for updates. Hope to see you.